If you're a woman over 45 who cares about her skin, chances are you've already discovered castor oil. It's thick, it's comforting, and it feels like it should be doing more than it actually does. Many women apply it faithfully every night. They massage it into fine lines. They wait for firmness to return. They expect deeper wrinkles to soften. And when that doesn't happen, the quiet question appears. Is this really working, or am I missing something? Here's the truth most people never explain clearly. Castor oil is not useless, but on its own it's incomplete. At this stage of life, skin doesn't respond to single ingredient solutions. Real change comes from synergy, ingredients that work together, not alone. Today, we're stepping away from trends and into biology. You'll learn why castor oil stalls by itself and exactly which oils activate it to support collagen, firmness, and smoother skin without harsh treatments. Let's begin. Why castor oil feels so good and why it hits a wall. Castor oil's reputation comes from its chemistry. Over 90% of it is made of ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that gives castor oil its signature thickness and cushiony feel. When you apply it, castor oil doesn't sink deeply. Instead, it settles on the surface of the skin and forms a soft, breathable seal. This seal slows transepidermal water loss, the gradual evaporation of moisture that increases with age. For mature skin, that moisture protection is essential. Dryness exaggerates lines. Dehydration weakens elasticity. Castor oil helps prevent that. But here's the limitation most people don't realize. Castor oil protects, but it does not communicate. Its molecular structure is heavy. It largely stays in the outermost layer of the skin, where it cannot deliver signals that stimulate renewal or collagen activity. Think of castor oil like insulation in a house. It keeps warmth from escaping, but insulation alone doesn't generate heat. For skin over 45, protection is necessary, but it's not enough. What your skin needs now are messenger oils, lighter oils that can travel deeper and tell your skin what to do next. Castor oil prepares the environment. The right partner oil does the work. The first oil you should mix with castor oil, pomegranate seed oil. If your main concern is preventing further sagging, thinning, and collagen breakdown, pomegranate seed oil is a powerful ally. This oil contains a rare fatty acid called punicic acid, an omega-5 that is highly active in skin tissue. Why does this matter? Because one of the biggest drivers of visible aging after 45 isn't dryness, it's chronic inflammation. Low-level inflammation slowly weakens collagen fibers, reduces elasticity, and makes skin more fragile over time. Sun exposure, stress, and pollution all contribute. Pomegranate seed oil works on this exact problem. Its antioxidant compounds help neutralize daily oxidative stress, while its anti-inflammatory properties calm the processes that silently break skin down. It also contains phytosterols and natural vitamin E, which strengthen the skin barrier and improve resilience. Now here's where castor oil becomes valuable. Castor oil forms a stable protective layer on the surface. Pomegranate seed oil, which is lighter, moves into the upper skin layers and delivers its protective compounds. Together, they function like a defense system, one shielding the surface, the other guarding what lies beneath. How to use it? Mix 1 part castor oil with 3 parts pomegranate seed oil. Apply on slightly damp skin. Ideal for morning use under sunscreen or evening for recovery. This blend is especially helpful for skin that feels thin, sensitive, or environmentally stressed. The second oil that transforms results, rosehip seed oil. Now let's talk about renewal. Rosehip seed oil is one of the most studied botanical oils in skincare, and for good reason. It naturally contains vitamin and derivatives, which support healthy cell turnover. As we age, that turnover slows. Old cells linger. Texture becomes uneven. Skin looks dull. Rosehip helps gently encourage renewal without the harshness of prescription retinoids. It's also rich in linoleic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid essential for repairing the lipid barrier. This is critical for mature skin, which often struggles to hold moisture effectively. Add to that natural vitamin C and carotenoids, and you have an oil that supports brightness, smoothness, and overall skin quality. When paired with castor oil, something important happens. Castor oil creates a humid, protected environment on the skin's surface. That environment allows Rosehip's active compounds to stay in place longer and work more efficiently. One oil prepares, the other renovates. How to use it? Mix 1 part castor oil with 2 parts rosehip seed oil. Use in the evening only. Always wear sunscreen the next day. This blend is ideal for fine lines, uneven tone, and skin that looks tired rather than damaged. The third oil that brings everything into balance: jojoba oil. The final oil is often overlooked, but it may be the smartest one of all. Jojoba oil isn't technically an oil. It's a liquid wax ester, almost identical to your skin's natural sebum. That similarity allows it to integrate seamlessly into your skin's lipid structure. Instead of forcing change, jojoba helps restore balance. For dry skin, it improves comfort. For combination skin, it helps regulate oil production. For sensitive or reactive skin, it reduces irritation. When paired with castor oil, the combination becomes surprisingly elegant. Jojoba penetrates quickly and strengthens the barrier from within. Castor oil follows with a soft, protective cushion on top. This pairing supports skin function rather than pushing it. How to use it? Mix 1 part castor oil with 4 parts jojoba oil. Suitable for morning and night. Safe for sensitive and breakout-prone skin. This is an excellent everyday blend when your skin needs stability more than correction. How to use these blends safely and effectively. Before results come consistency, and before consistency comes safety. Choose quality oils only, cold-pressed, unrefined, fragrance-free, stored in dark glass bottles. Always patch test. Apply a small amount behind the ear or inside the forearm and wait 24 to 48 hours. Apply correctly. Use on clean, slightly damp skin. Warm 3 to 4 drops between your palms. Press gently into face and neck. Start 2 to 3 times per week and adjust slowly. Store oils in a cool, dark place and avoid mixing large batches. The truth that makes everything work better. Oils are powerful, but they are not magic. They support skin. They do not replace fundamentals. The most effective anti-aging product remains daily sunscreen. Without it, collagen loss continues no matter what oil you use. Nutrition matters. Sleep matters. Stress management matters. Your skin is not separate from your life, it reflects it. When thoughtful oil blends meet consistent habits, skin becomes stronger, calmer, and more resilient over time.